Welcome to CryptoX. Today, we're diving into the future of investing and exploring why cryptocurrency holds the key to unlocking new opportunities. Let's get started. What exactly is cryptocurrency in simple terms? It's a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for secure transactions. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies operate independently of banks and governments. The most famous example is Bitcoin, but there are many others like Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Cryptocurrencies have witnessed exponential growth in recent years. The market capitalization has soared, and millions of people around the world are embracing this new form of digital currency. Take a look at these statistics and charts to see just how rapidly cryptocurrencies are being adopted. So, what makes cryptocurrency so appealing? Let us explore some of its key advantages. Transparency. Cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized technology called blockchain. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, ensuring transparency. Anyone can verify and audit these transactions, promoting trust and accountability. Security. Cryptocurrencies utilize advanced cryptographic encryption to secure transactions. This makes them highly resistant to fraud and hacking, providing a new level of security for digital assets. Borderless transactions. With cryptocurrencies, you can send money instantly and at a low cost, regardless of geographical boundaries. It eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks, making cross-border transactions more efficient and accessible. Cryptocurrencies are just the tip of the iceberg. The underlying technology behind them, blockchain, has the power to disrupt multiple industries. From supply chain management to healthcare and voting systems, blockchain is revolutionizing how we operate. Check out these real-world examples of blockchain-based projects making a significant impact. Of course, like any investment, there are challenges and concerns to consider. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile, and regulatory uncertainties exist. That's why it's crucial to conduct thorough research, stay informed, and invest responsibly. Education and understanding are key. Thank you for joining us on CryptoX. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.